So hello everyone, myself Jawad Habib and I am going to teach you math, and the very first topic which I am going to cover is nothing but probability. So write down probability. So what is probability? Probability is nothing but possibility to extent to which something can be happen. Okay, in other words, a numerical value of the possibility of occurrence of an event. A numerical value of possibility of occurrence of an event. Now, you got to know the definition of probability. One thing you have to keep in mind is that probability always lies between 0 to 1. Probability never be less than 0 or never be greater than 1. Okay. Now, the second question comes to your mind is, sir, why we need to study probability? So as we all know, math is nothing but a tool and we need tools to solve the problem. Okay, if your friends ask you that how many sample space in a dice, then you have to know about the probability of dice. For example, this dice has 6 sample space. So this dice you can see over here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sample space. So now what is sample space, sir? Sample space is nothing but the all possible outcomes, or you can say that all possible events is known as sample space. Sample space. Now for dice, sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 7, 8. There is no 7, 8, sir. Only 6. There are 6 sides of dice. So the sample space of a single dice is 6. Now, sir, now let's talk about coin. Okay, sir, this is a 5 rupees coin. This side is tail and this side is head. So now if I ask you what is the sample space for a coin, then you will going to say, sir, there are only two sample space, which is head and the second one is tail. So now the sample space for a coin is we have head one side and tail on the other side. Okay, if your friend tosses a coin one time, then if he gets head, then the chances of getting head is what? Probability. So now you can understand and relate what is probability, chances of getting a head or tail. Okay, if I just roll out this coin and I get head, then there are possibly I will get whether head or tail. So if now if comes to the probability, then you have to keep in mind that probability is nothing but favorable outcome upon total outcome. And total outcome is what? Sample space. Now you got the point. Probability of an event is nothing but favorable outcome upon total outcome. So now tell me, what is the probability of getting head if we toss this dice one time? So yeah, exactly, this is 50%. Head is 50% and tail is 50%. So now what is the probability? Probability is nothing but 0.5. So now, as you all know, 0.5 lies between 0 to 1. So probability of tossing a coin is nothing but 50%. Now, there is one more thing which I am going to discuss with you all. This is cards. So basically, you are going to probability basically depends on these three things: coin, dice, and cards. Okay, so these are cards. Maybe you will play these cards in future, but these are the cards. Okay, so there are, if we talk about the cards, there are So now we are discussing about the cards. So there are in a deck of there are 56 cards. Cards number is 52. Okay, so we have 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Okay, as you can see on the screen, we have cards. We have 4 types of cards: club, spade, diamond, club, spade, diamond, and heart. So we have 4 types of cards: club, spade, diamond, and heart, as you can see on the screen also. And so if someone asks you what is the probability of getting a black card, then you will going to answer that what is the number, how many black cards we have. We have 26 black cards. And what is the total number of black cards? The total number of cards is 52 and black cards is 26. So what is the probability? As I always told you, probability is nothing but favorable outcome, which is 26, upon total outcome, which is 52. So 1 upon 2, which is 0.5, which means 50%. So if someone asks you what is the probability of getting a black card from a deck of 52 cards, then you will going to say 50%. Now these are the basics of cards. Now come to the coin. As you can see on the screen, this is a coin, and it has, as you can see on the screen, this is a coin. It has 2 sides, one is head and other one is tail. So you can see on the screen, and now you can see dice on the screen. This is a dice, it has 6 sides. The simplest space for a dice is 6. And if someone asks you what is the probability of getting 3 if we roll a dice 1 time, then you will going to answer 1 upon 6, because there is 3 is only 1 time on the dice. Are you getting my point? So these are the cards you can see on the screen, and that's how we are going to end up this class right now. Because